Welcome to Trend AI Today. If you're curious about how artificial intelligence, AI, is reshaping the world around us, you're in the right place. Today, we'll dive deep into some of the latest AI advancements and explore how they are impacting industries, improving our daily lives, and even shaping the future. So, buckle up, it's going to be a fascinating journey. What is AI, and why should you care? Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to computer systems that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence, such as understanding language, recognizing patterns, making decisions, and solving problems. You might already be using AI without realizing it, whether it's through your smartphone's virtual assistant, personalized recommendations on streaming platforms, or advanced tools in healthcare and education. But AI isn't just about convenience, it's transforming entire industries. Companies are using AI to streamline operations, improve customer experiences, and unlock new levels of innovation. Let's explore some exciting examples. AI in healthcare, saving lives and improving care. AI is revolutionizing healthcare in incredible ways. Imagine a doctor who can analyze thousands of patient records in seconds and detect diseases even before symptoms appear. AI algorithms can identify patterns in medical images, helping radiologists spot cancerous growths early. During the recent pandemic, AI played a crucial role in predicting virus outbreaks and accelerating the development of vaccines. By analyzing huge datasets, researchers were able to model the virus's spread and develop treatments faster than ever before. In the future, AI-powered wearable devices could continuously monitor your health and alert you to potential issues long before you typically seek medical attention. AI in education, personalized learning experiences. Education is another field where AI is making waves. Traditional classrooms often take a one-size-fits-all approach, but AI can create personalized learning paths tailored to each student's needs. Imagine an AI tutor that understands your learning style, identifies your weak areas, and provides customized lessons to help you master difficult concepts. AI can also assist teachers by automating administrative tasks like grading and attendance tracking, giving educators more time to focus on teaching. As AI technology continues to advance, lifelong learning will become more accessible and personalized for everyone. AI in business, driving efficiency and innovation. Businesses are leveraging AI to automate repetitive tasks, analyze massive amounts of data, and make smarter decisions. For instance, customer service chatbots powered by AI can handle routine inquiries 24/7, freeing up human agents for more complex issues. In marketing, AI can analyze consumer behavior and recommend personalized content, increasing engagement and sales. AI also plays a significant role in manufacturing, where intelligent robots work alongside human employees to improve efficiency and reduce errors. AI in everyday life, enhancing convenience and entertainment. From smart home devices that adjust your thermostat to cars that drive themselves, AI is becoming an integral part of our daily lives. Streaming platforms like Netflix and Spotify use AI to suggest content you'll love. Social media platforms use AI to curate your news feed and detect harmful content. Even online shopping is powered by AI, with algorithms predicting what you might want to buy next. AI makes life easier, more convenient, and more entertaining, but it also raises questions about privacy and security. Ethical considerations, the double-edged sword of AI. While AI offers immense benefits, it also comes with challenges. Privacy concerns, algorithmic biases, and job displacement are important issues we must address. For example, facial recognition technology can enhance security, but it can also be misused for surveillance. AI algorithms trained on biased data can perpetuate discrimination, leading to unfair outcomes. To harness the full potential of AI while mitigating its risks, governments, companies, and individuals must work together to develop ethical guidelines and best practices. The future of AI, what lies ahead? As AI continues to evolve, its potential applications are limitless. We can expect smarter cities, where AI optimizes traffic flow and energy usage. Agriculture could be transformed with AI-powered drones and sensors that monitor crop health. Even creative fields like art and music are being reimagined with the help of AI tools. One of the most exciting areas of development is AI collaboration, humans and machines working together to solve complex problems and innovate in ways we've never imagined. How you can stay ahead in the AI revolution. The AI revolution is here, and staying informed is key to thriving in this rapidly changing world. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply a curious individual, there are plenty of ways to get involved. 1. Learn the basics. Take online courses on AI and machine learning. 2. Stay updated. Follow trusted news sources and channels like Trend AI Today to keep up with the latest developments. 3. Experiment. Try out AI tools and applications to see how they can enhance your work and creativity. 4. Engage in discussions. Join AI communities and participate in conversations about its ethical implications. Final thoughts. AI is not just a buzzword, it's a transformative force shaping the future of our world. By understanding its potential and challenges, we can harness AI for the greater good and navigate this exciting era with confidence. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Trend AI Today for more insights into the world of AI. Let's learn, grow, and embrace the future together.